What's up, guys? Luckside here. Appreciate you stopping in, joining me in this video. I want to talk to you about the opportunity that you have in front of you today. So if someone had talked to you about a year ago, let's, November this time last year, and they said, hey, here's the 1-year Bitcoin chart. Okay. You can buy Bitcoin right now for right up there, $69,000. Do you want to buy it? And you probably would have said, oh my gosh, no, look at the chart. It's super, super high compared to a year ago, right? Fast forward to today. We look at the 1-year chart on Bitcoin now. And they say, hey, guess what? You can buy Bitcoin for $17,000. Would you do that? Oh my gosh, no, look at the chart, right? You can see that it's crashing. It's going to zero. Unfortunately, people have this bad habit of missing out on opportunities. We get a little short-sighted, right? If we look back at the history of Bitcoin and the path that it's followed, okay, we can see what it has done. We can see that these cycles have happened before. There's ups and there's downs. There's ups and there's downs. So during these periods of bear market cycles, these periods of market downness, we'll call it, I don't even know if that's a word, downness, but where the market is down and depressed and not doing much, these have shown to be the best opportunities to buy. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. That's not what we do here on the channel. But sometimes we have to get out of our own head, right? We have to get out of the mindset of, oh my gosh, red is a bad thing. That's where a lot of people make mistakes. When the market is down, that has been shown to be some of the best times to buy, especially if you plan on being in crypto for the long term, which, I hope that you are. The crypto space is ever expanding. There's more development in Web3 that's happening all the time. There's newer and newer innovation. There's more functionality for crypto than ever before. And that continues to change on a daily basis. I mean, we're seeing, stuff with NFTs. We're seeing, crypto spending. We're seeing all these sorts of things that are happening, right? ClearCryptos, for example, has launched a swap, okay, an analytics platform. And there's much, much more to come still. But that's the point, right? Crypto is still so early in its journey. If you think about it, crypto is only 10 years old. Okay. Most, financial networks, stuff like that are well over that age. Crypto is still in its infancy. But again, I want to get back to the point of people tend to miss out on opportunities. It could be staring you straight in the face, and there are a lot of people that unfortunately just don't pull the trigger. They don't want to jump, right? They have that hesitance, that little voice in the back of their head telling them, no, don't do it. Now, this is a decision that you have to make for yourself, right? Again, this is not financial advice. That's not what we do here on the channel. But I advise you to definitely do your own research. Look into opportunity. Don't be afraid of it. Don't run away from it. That's all I really got for you in this video. Just be aware that these sorts of things have happened before, and those that have taken advantage of the opportunity have reaped the rewards. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.